Hello, this is Mer171. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing of my new Gerber Bear Grylls compact mini tool. You can see that they got survival written up on there. This one's marketed for survival kits, I imagine. Comes with a Priorities of Survival guide, pocket guide. Alright, well, let's open it up, see what we got. See if it was worth purchasing or not, in my opinion. Get that open. We'll be able to, should be able to open it up. Pull this out. You see it's got plastic lining. I could have probably made more cuts and made that easier. But you can see that it's spring loaded. We'll get this out while we're dealing with it, and that way I won't have to come back to opening this guy. The Priorities of Survival pocket guide. Came with it, as you saw. I guess we'll get into that. Maybe. Alright. See, it came taped. Alright, see, already came in helpful. Now, let's see what we've got here. This just looks like a folded piece of paper. Yep, that's basically what it is. Full of, you know, general knots. Looks like it's upside down. Knots. Just a handy stuff for the bush. How to get water, it looks like. Here's snares and traps. Signaling. How to construct shelter and how to start a fire. If you didn't know any of this, you weren't in the Boy Scouts or anything, this stuff could come in helpful. It might not be common sense to a lot of people. So that's cool that they provide one of these. Helpful full hints. Maybe put it in your survival kit anyway, just because, hey, you know, help you remember something in case you forget. Or, you know, somebody borrows your kit and they don't know this stuff. Hey, this could come in helpful. Anyway, let's get into the multi-tool here. Back to the tool. Alright, as you could already see, it is spring-loaded pliers. You can see the list of attributes in the back. Wire cutters, right in here. And that pretty much covers the pliers. They are teeth, they are toothed, and so they're not smooth, so it should have pretty good grip. Now let's see if we can't find all these things. There's a fine edge knife in there, which we've already seen. Voila. No, it does not lock back. There's a serrated edge knife, which we saw earlier. Voila. It does not lock back, it appears. There's Phillips head screwdriver on here. Ah, here we go. It's on the reverse side. Phillips head, which I imagine this is going to be the flathead. Flathead and bottle opener. Alright, now on this side what we've got the tweezers. Believe me, you'd be grateful to have tweezers if you need tweezers. And what do we got under the final thing? The small flat driver. I guess if you had to fix a pair of glasses, you might find that pretty helpful. Of course, it's supposed to be lightweight and fit on a keychain, and you know, easy to open components, and you got your survival guide, and that's all the features it lists on there. So that's kind of interesting. They did actually write, you know, blade, and I imagine on the other side serrated, which is for the serrated blades, so you don't get them mixed up. Yep, for the serrated blade. There you go, and there's this keychain hook. But anyway, I just thought I'd do this. I saw this thing in the store and was like, hey, I'll take one of those. What the hell, right? So I got one. It's a neat little thing, I guess. I haven't, of course, used it. You saw me just unbox it, but could come in handy. I mean, it's compact, carryable. Should be useful for something, right? But anyway, thanks for watching, y'all, and please subscribe. I'll bring some more goofy stuff I find, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Smurl171 signing off.